Assalamualaikum students, be ready. Para. The petitioners in these petitions were employees of the Bank of Punjab where they held senior positions. Wide letters dated 20 May 2009 and 12 August 2009, their services were terminated in simpliciter full stop. Through these constitutional petitions, the petitioners seek setting aside of their termination letters and reinstatement into service with all back benefits. The petitions have been contested by the respondents by way of a preliminary objection. They have taken the stance that the relationship between the parties is governed by the principle of master and servant. Therefore, the relief sought by the petitioners cannot be granted by this court in exercise of its extraordinary constitutional jurisdiction under Article 199 of Writ Petition number 24095 of 2009, Ajmair Shorthand Chaudhary versus Chairman Bank of Punjab, the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 1973, full stop. In case the petitioners are aggrieved of any order passed by the respondent, their remedy lies in seeking damages from a court of plenary jurisdiction, full stop. Para. In view of the preliminary objection raised, which goes to the very heart of this controversy, I propose to decide the same first, full stop. I have, therefore, directed the learned counsel for the parties to address arguments regarding maintainability of this petition and the preliminary objection raised by learned counsel for the respondents, full stop. The learned counsel for the respondent bank submits that this constitutional petition is not maintainable as the principle of master and servant is applicable to the relationship between the parties, full stop. He submits that service rules contained in the Human Rights Manual of the respondent bank are for internal use of the bank and are non-statutory in nature, full stop. Consequently, a constitutional petition is not maintainable, full stop. In this regard, reliance is placed on Abdul Wahab and others versus Habib Bank Limited and others, bracket 2013 SCMR 1383 and Syed Nazir Gilani versus Pakistan Red Crescent Society and another, bracket 2014 SCMR 982, bracket, where it has been held that in case a service grievance is agitated by a person / employee, who was writ petition number 24095 of 2009, Ajmair Shorthand Chaudhary versus Chairman Bank of Punjab, not governed by statutory rules of service before the High Court in terms of Article 199 of the Constitution, such petition shall not be maintainable, full stop. Para. The learned counsel further submits that the petitioner was not dismissed on the allegation of misconduct, full stop. Therefore, the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan passed in Civil Appeal number 39 of 2010, reported as Pakistan Defence Officers Housing Authority and others versus Lieutenant Colonel Syed Javed Ahmad, bracket to 2013 SCMR 1707, bracket, is not applicable to the facts and circumstances of the present case, full stop. The learned counsel for the respondent has further argued that where a person / employee was not governed by statutory rules of service or where the employment / services were regulated by the contractual stipulations and internal rules and regulations and no specific forum was designated for resolution of issues relating to employment, an infringement of any condition of such a contract shall at the most entitle the employee to avail his ordinary remedy for breach of contract and wrongful action against him before the court of plenary jurisdiction full stop. In such a situation, it could not be urged that the fundamental rights of the employee had been violated, conferring upon him a right to enforce the same in terms of Article 199 of the Constitution full stop.